This is a do-it-yourself relocation shipment from Seattle, Washington State, USA to the island of Coron, Palawan, Philippines. The shipper rented a 26 feet Penske truck to utilize its built-in liftgate to safely load the heavy items inside the truck the day before the arrival of the shipping container. The shipping container sits on top of a trailer that is elevated by 1 meter above ground, just like the one you see on the freeways. On the day of the container arrival, they simply backed up the rented Penske truck to the back of the ocean container and safely transferred the shipment inside the ocean-going container. This saved them on trucking cost and the load time. This loading method is called live load, wherein the truck driver will wait until you are done loading your shipment. The first hour is free and the succeeding hour is about $100 per hour. The other method is drop and pull, where the container will be parked at your address and it will be pulled and brought to the port on a specified date. You pay for the double trip and per diem charges. Make sure you coordinate with your local authorities and neighbors.